Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we will start a topic problems with the digestive system of chapter number 1, the digestive system. Students, germs get into the digestive system when you eat infected food. This is called food poisoning. Food can be infected when you buy them or while they are being prepared at home. Not washing the hands before preparing food and after using the toilet. Dirty work surfaces and utensils. Loose hanging hair and sneezing near food can all lead to germs getting into food. The first problem of indigestion is usually caused by eating food too quickly and not chewing it enough. Means इंडाइजेशन उस वक्त होता है जब आप खाना जल्दी खाते हो और जल्दी खाने की वजह से आप उसको अच्छे तरीके से चबाते नहीं हो. इफ द पर्सन belches, some of the acid comes up the gullet. Belches means डकार लेना. जब आप डकार लेते हो तो आप कुछ एसिड आपके ग्यूलेट यानी नरखटे यानी गले के अंदर आता है, causing a burning sensation which is sometimes called heartburning. Means indigestion is sometimes called heartburning. Indigestion can easily cured by taking a tablet. So these are the some treatment of indigestion. Indigestion can usually cured by taking tablet or drink which contain an alkali that will neutralize the acid. This process is also known as neutralization. Okay student, so the next and the most common problem with the digestive system is diarrhea. Diarrhea results from getting germs into the food. So infected food can be vomited from the stomach quite soon after it is eaten. More often the germs are busy breeding and multiplying in your digestive system before you begin to feel it. So, white blood cells rush to destroy the germs and the liquid food is rushed through the digestive system out of the rectum. Rectum is the organ where you pass your feces. Or feces means your potty. Diarrhea stops when the function clear up. Diarrhea is a serious illness in babies, infants, as they quickly become dehydrated, dried out and ill. So these are the some treatments of diarrhea. In most cases, diarrhea can be treated at home. It will resolve itself in a few days. Drink plenty of fluids. Plenty of fluids means ज़्यादा पानी वाली अशिया आप इस्तेमाल करें. And follow the broad diets. B stand for banana, R stand for rice, A stand for apple or applesauce, and toast. This is our broad diet. Okay, extra hygiene is very important. Means washing hand properly, take bath properly. Okay, otherwise the infection can spread to the other people in the house. So diarrhea is the infectious disease. It can easily spreading. Okay, take ORS too, because during the attack a great deal of water and important mineral salts and vitamins may be lost. So ORS fulfill these requirements in your body. The next and serious disease is constipation. Constipation is caused not eating enough fiber, not drinking enough water and other liquid, or not going to lavatory at the usual time. लेवेट्री मीन्स टॉयलेट. सही है, यानी कॉन्स्टिपेशन उस वक्त होती है जब आप फाइबर वाली अशिया अपनी डाइट पे इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहे होते. फाइबर की अशिया में आपका सबसे ज़्यादा कोकम्बर आता है, वो अशिया जिसके अंदर पानी होता है. सही है, ग्रेन्स, रोटी, ये सारी चीज़ें फाइबर वाली होती है. इनको आप ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करने होते हैं जो कि हम लोग अब इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहे होते. We should drink enough water and other liquid. So if feces are not passing according to the usual pattern, they become thick, hard and dry. Okay, if feces are not passed according to usual pattern, so the thick hard and dry pieces are uncomfortable or even painful to pass. Painful, दर्दनाक pieces passes होते हैं when you go to the lavatory. So these are the some treatment of constipation. Drink up to 3 liters of water. Drink up to 3 liters of water, which is the requirement a day. Make sure you have enough fiber in your fruit, in your diet. Means you should have to take fruits which have banana, papaya, apple, vegetable, broccoli, cucumber. These are the fiber diet. Have plenty of exercise. You should take plenty of exercise, and it is the part of our healthy life. Use medicine to soften the pieces. Okay, these are the some treatments of constipation. The next topic is pathway of food. What is a pathway of food? So first food goes to our mouth, then after buccal cavity, then pharynx, then esophagus, then cardiac muscles, then stomach, then polycric stomach, then duodenum. Duodenum consists two parts, which is bile, then pancreas. After duodenum, the food goes into the small intestine. After small intestine, it goes into the large intestine. After large intestine, food goes to the rectum, then anus. So food comes out, digested food comes out from the anus. Okay, these inshallah in our next class we will discuss this pathway of food in detail. What is cardiac muscle, duodenum, what is bile, pancreas is just an introduction. Till Allah Hafiz class, inshallah we will meet in our next class with our new topic. Jazakallah.